La terza l'abbiamo già fatta, dopo gli gnocchi glieli facciamo fare e poi glieli facciamo mangiare i gnocchi. Ho già avvertito Lorenzo di là, lui li cuocerà, li condirà. E loro li mangeranno.
Regarding the gnocchi, we are going to prepare the gnocchi and you will have the chance to eat what you have prepared.
Not looking forward to that.
Yeah, no.
It's very easy.
E la stessa farina?
We are going to perform in any case a smaller part. Don't worry.
Good.
You are not going to produce such a huge
Okay.
quantity. The people that had to collect taxes used to come from Marche. That means they used to come on behalf of the Pope, or better, even better, on behalf of the priest. The priest was used to collect the money from the people. It means that when the priest was used to arrive, and he collected whatever he could collect, there was nothing less to eat. And they were used to prepare the pasta with what they still had. And as you perform, in producing this pasta, you are performing a special movement that seems like this. And that's why they say strangled priest. That's a tradition.
That's a great.
But it's true that in any case there is an old saying, because of this reason there is an old saying here that it's better to have somebody dead in-house than a priest in front of
The door.
Sì.
Sembra che con latte...
Con la pasta? La pasta che fa lei col latte, col burro e con la farina. Dopo dove la usa? Come la usa?
per fare una torta.
La base di una torta.
La base di una torta.
Ok. E scrivete
Have a look.
pasta?
Have a look.
Yes, we have.
Oh my gosh.
Allora,
That's how they do it.
allora qui così.
Comme deux.
Oh, sì. Queste due dita qui.
Wow.
Et en fait, c'est des petites pâtes, quoi. Ça fait des petites pâtes.
That is labor intensive.
Allora gliela facciamo fare a loro, immagino. Così loro si divertono un po'. Facciamo così, guarda, Che facciamo bene sicuro. Allora, così. Questi li mettiamo qua. Questi li trasferiamo là.
Now you have to...
Wow. On peut le faire avec un couteau, ça, si on n'a pas...
Oui, on peut le faire avec
Ou
un doigt. Oui.
une roulette à pizza. Ou une roulette à pizza.
Ci basta questi qui.
Okay, that's
Another kind of pasta.
Oh my
Ah,
This tool, the name of this tool is simply cam. Wow. Ça s'appelle penne. Penne.
Les pennes.
Penne.
c'est les pennes, non?
Penny.
Pennes ricate.
c'est comb.
Ricate avec le...
Rigate.
Rigate.
Oui.
Avec le...
C'est à cause du sauce. Parce qu'ainsi, le sauce
La sauce tient, oui.
tient à la,
Oui.
à la pasta.
How is it? So it's mussels. You boil this for 3 minutes. And
Can I take a picture for you?
Aux orties, mais il a mélangé...
this is made from stinging nettles from a flour.
Oui, il a préparé en avant.
It's called
C'est
gnocchi.
toujours avec
And
de
potato
la
flour. It's called
fiamma.
gnocchi.
C'è la ricotta, il parmigiano.
La ricotta, c'est-à-dire c'est un fromage parmesan, bien sûr, et de la,
Uova,
la
sale,
farine,
pepe.
de la farine, sel et des œufs. Il avait préparé tout en avant, mais ils sont toujours les mêmes ingrédients.